Hi guys, this is part 4 of the series I've been doing, Memory Lane after the accident. Anyway, I was going to go to Rembert Church today, which is in Sumter, South Carolina. It's supposedly haunted. I have been there before. I don't think it is. I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. Anyway, I do believe in the paranormal, but anyway, I'm not sure about that. I didn't make it. I've been kind of dragging today. I was a little tired today. I've been going to sleep too late. Just been going, you know, I just been stopping at Walmart too late. That's where I've been stopping to get food. Last night I got myself a little snack pack with carrots and broccoli in it. I eat a lot of that, raw vegetables, fruits, that kind of thing. Anyway, and by the time I left Walmart and got to the truck stop, it was after midnight. And then I watched a couple of episodes of House, and then it was just late. I've been watching American Horror Story, but it's just been amping me up too much. I'm binging on it, staying up too late, and then I'm all amped up from it. So last night I decided to just watch House, and I'm glad I did. I really like House. The night before I watched Law and Order UK. I've been watching that show as well, and it's really good. I really like it. Anyway, today I said, you know what, I'm going to go to Rembert Church. And I woke up early enough. I woke up at like 10:30, but I sat in the car and just kept working, you know, putting together some of my videos, putting together some of my slideshows, uploading a lot of my pictures to the cloud, because I've just got so many pictures on my phone. And so I've already cleared out. I had a whole album for the pandemic. I cleared that one out. I had a whole album for 2021. I've pretty much cleared that one out now too. I have a few new ones I've just added. And now I'm to another album, which is just old cars. So I put some of those together. Anyway, and I also took some of them and I created, like, which you'll see, I'm creating, they're not per se videos, they're slideshow videos, which are technically not videos, but, you know, anyway. So today I didn't get anything done, and now I'm really, really hungry, and I want to go eat. But first, I'm gonna, I guess, walk down memory lane a little bit, if you will. There's some other things. There's been a few other things on my mind. Anyway, but that's all part of the other after the accident, so I won't go into that here. Anyway, the first little video or slideshow you're going to see are some old cars. They were taken in Royston, Georgia, probably about 2 or 3 years ago. Excuse me, not Royston, Georgia, Resaca. In fact, I stayed in Calhoun, Georgia just this past, like a month and a half ago. Well, no, about a month and a half or 2 months ago, before the accident. I was in Resaca, Calhoun and Resaca, which is right together. And I stayed there for probably about, I don't know, almost a month. Part of the reason is I had to take my car in to be seen about. And I've talked about this in another video. The one that was wrecked, a shop had accidentally put a tire sensor, taped a tire sensor to one of my wheels, which didn't belong on it, and it was causing a lot of rattling, and I had no idea. I thought the car was ready to fall apart. Anyway, but they took care of that, and then I had to take it back for something else. So I think I took it in for an oil change, then I had to take it in for something else. So this first little video is actually almost across the pictures are the old cars are at like a garage, which is almost across the street from the Dollar General, which is actually a Dollar General market. And I actually went there a few nights when I was in Calhoun, and it's actually a really, really cool little Dollar General market. Anyway, first video is some old cars that I photographed in Resaca, Georgia about 2 years ago. this next video or slideshow coming up is was also taken, I believe, in Georgia. It was either Georgia or Tennessee, but most likely it was Georgia. It's been a really long time since I took these pictures. Anyway, it's just a video of an old bus and a couple of old trucks, I believe. Anyway, I'm using, you'll notice the filter looks a little different. I'm using the sepia filter on the Camera 365 app. Anyway, next video is just, it's taken in Georgia, I believe. Old bus. Hi guys, this next video slideshow was taken in Tennessee, I believe. I only know that because I can see my gray Ford Taurus in the background, so that's a pretty good indicator, because I didn't drive that car that much. Anyway, most of the videos that I've taken, of course, I drove my Focus a lot, the one that was wrecked. Anyway, this next video was taken, I believe, last year. It was taken last year on my trip to Pennsylvania. I actually went up Highway 11, US Highway 11, and I drove all the way to Pennsylvania, and then I came back down through Virginia, Tennessee, and I've done the route through Tennessee before, so, but anyway, but not, in fact, I drove almost to New York, not quite. Anyway, I was about 100 miles from the New York state line. Anyway, I went back to the... I apologize, the phone keeps shaking on me. I hate that. Anyway, I went back to the original filter, the Camera 365 original filter. I tried a couple of the other filters. I really didn't like them. I was going to do black and white, but didn't really like it. Anyway, so I went back to the original. Anyway, again, the next video was taken in Pennsylvania, I believe, last year on my trip, and I was traveling down US Highway 11. So, anyway, so here's the next video, slideshow. Hi, this next little slideshow is just some, they're not weeds actually, they're actually flowers, but they haven't bloomed yet. Anyway, I found those next to a church, and at the church there was also an old barn, which I photographed, but that's not in this not going to be in this video. Also some cows, that's not going to be in this video. And I also photographed the graveyard, but that's not in this video either. Anyway, but these little flowers were right next to, right next to a church. And when I first found them, I thought they were weeds. I really did. I thought they were just really pretty weeds, and really photographic weeds. But someone told me they're not. They're actually flowers that have not bloomed out yet. Anyway, so here's the next slideshow, which is just next slideshow is just more nature, leaves mostly, just leaves. I love to photograph leaves. I'm not really sure why, but I do. I love to photograph plants, leaves, you know, all kinds of nature. Wild plants or wild bushes and shrubs. Ones at Walmart or Home Depot. I just, you know, I love to take pictures. I find taking pictures very relaxing. Anyway, this next one, of course, is just a slideshow of leaves and nature. Hi, this next slideshow is just flowers. I'm not sure where I took them. I don't remember when, where. Springtime, obviously, but I'm not real sure when or where. Hi, this next slideshow was taken in, or the photographs rather, were taken in Lockhart, South Carolina this year around the 1st of January, or the first couple of weeks of January. I just remember that because it wasn't that long ago. Anyway, and it's just nature. I was driving from Gaffney, South Carolina, and I just went out on or Blacksburg, South Carolina, and was just taking a little, I don't know, just a little road trip. Anyway, just some nature in the area of Lockhart, South Carolina. Hi guys, this is the last video slideshow that I'm going to do in this video. Anyway, these are the pictures of the cow, or the cows that I talked about in a little bit earlier in the video. I said I wasn't going to, the cows were going to be in this one, just those weed-looking flowers I photographed. Anyway, but I found the little slideshow I did on the cows that are right there at the church. I didn't find the pictures of the church. I may not have put any of those pictures in. I may not have done a slideshow of those pictures. Anyway, so here are the pictures of this next slideshow is of the cows at the same church, the same area where the little weed-looking flowers were taken. This is the last slideshow, and this is going to conclude this video. It's getting late. It's about 6 o'clock, and as I said earlier, I've been pretty much dragging all day. Really haven't been doing much except editing videos and uploading a lot of my pictures into the cloud, because I've got so many pictures. Anyway, I've uploaded a lot of them to the cloud now. Anyway, and I still amazingly have 20 gigabytes of space left on my phone. I have 256 gigabytes total, with about 18 or 20 gigabytes left, so that's pretty good. That's not bad. Usually I run down to nothing. Anyway, I'm going to get off here now. Like I said, it's getting late. It's about 6 o'clock. I'm really, I've been sitting in this car all day, literally, and I need to get out. I need to walk. It's warm. I definitely need to walk. I've been looking around at Walmart to try to find myself another pair of flip-flops, so I'm not wearing those little cheap things from the Dollar Tree, but that's all I could find, so I got them for the short term until I find something else. Anyway, so I'm going to get off here. I'm going to head to probably I'm going to try to find a Subway maybe. Lately I've been doing Subway. I've been eating Subway about every other day. It's getting late, so usually if it's earlier, I will just eat a few crackers and you know, and then eat some fruit or something for dinner. But it's later. It's a lot later in the day, and I haven't eaten, so I'll probably try to find a Subway. Anyway, this is it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you like, subscribe, and have a good day, good night, peace, and God bless.